Hello, my dear students and viewers. Thank all of you to my online class, the class number 3. Today I will discuss the uses of preposition part 2. Position of I am going to discuss about the position of preposition in case of fill in the gaps. In case of filling the gaps, where will you use preposition? Today I am going to discuss it. Position of preposition in case of filling the gaps. First step, before noun or pronoun, you have to use preposition. Before noun or pronoun, you have to use preposition. Example, the pen is dash the table. Here, table is a noun. Before noun, you have to use preposition one. Before pronoun, you have to use preposition. Hasif sits dash me. Me is objective form of pronoun. Before me, you have to use preposition beside. Step 2. Between two nouns or two noun phrase, you have to use preposition, such as the development dash our country depends on agriculture. In this sentence, development is noun and our country is noun phrase. Between noun and noun phrase, we have to use preposition. So we use here preposition of. Between noun development and noun phrase our country. Step 3. Before possessive adjectives such as my, our, your, his, her, its, their, we have to use preposition. Example, I know dash his father. Here his is possessive adjective. Before possessive adjective, we have to use preposition about. Here we use preposition about before possessive adjective his. Step 4. We have to use preposition before present participle. That means verb plus ing. We have to use preposition. Example, Hassan or is more dash getting married. Here getting is verb plus ing. It functions as present participle. For this reason, we have to use preposition. We will use preposition before verb plus ing. That means the present participle, we have to use preposition about. Now I am going to discuss about the uses of preposition. Preposition on. We have to use preposition on before date or dates. Preposition on is used to mean upper state of something with task. Upper state of something with task. We have to use preposition on. Such as Rana meet me dash Sunday dash 15th June. Here Sunday is a day. We know there are 7 days in a week: Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Before these 7 days, we have to use preposition one. For this reason, before Sunday, we have to use preposition one. We have to use preposition one before dates. We know that there are 31 dates in a month. Before dates, we have to use preposition one. For this reason, we use preposition on before 15th June. 15th. We have to use on preposition on, because we have to use preposition 1 before dates and date. For this reason, we use preposition 1 before Sunday, and we have to use preposition 1 before date 15th. For this reason, we have to use preposition 1. Upper state of something with task. We have to use preposition 1. Upper state of something without task. Suppose with task, we have to use preposition 1. Upper state of something with task. Such as there is a book. That's the table. There is a book. That's the table. The book is lying with task on the table. For this reason, example 2, book is dash the table. We have to use preposition 1. Because we have to use preposition on upper state of something with task. Then in this case, we have to use preposition 1, as the book is with the touching situation, upper part of the table. For this reason, we have to use preposition 1. Want to keep something to upper state from one place to another place. In this case, we have to use want to. When we will keep something from one place to another place, or we have to we keep something to upper state from one place to another place. In that case, we have to use preposition 1. Example, keep the pen. That's the table. The pen was anywhere. We keep the pen. That's the table. We keep the pen on the table, onto table, because the pen was another place. We keep the place, taking pen from another place. We keep the pen upper state of the table. For this reason, we should use want to. Keep something, we have to use preposition want to. Keep something to upper state from one place to another place. In this case, we have to use want to. For this reason, example 3, we use preposition want to before the table. Over. If we upper state of something without task, with limitation. In this case, we have to use over. Such as we can give an example, fan. Fan is moving upper part of our head, but it is not touching with our head. It is separated from our head. For this reason, we have to use over. The upper state of something without touch, with limitation. If we want to touch it, we can. We have a limitation to touch the fan. In this case, we have to use over. Such as example 4, the fan is dash our head, the fan is over our head. We have to use over because the fan is moving over our head without touching. And if we want to touch the fan, we can. It is our limitation. We have limitation to touch it. In this case, we have to use over. Number 5, above. Preposition, use of above. Upper state of something without touch, out of limitation. In this case, we have to use above. The plane or the bird is dash our head. The plane or bird is dash our head. It is the plane and bird's position is upper part of our head. And if we want to touch it, if we want to touch plane or bird, it is not possible. For this reason, it is out of limitation. It is out of limitation, and it is upper state of something with touch. For this reason, we have to use above preposition. Upper state of something with touch, with limitation. In this case, we have to use preposition over. Preposition at, we have to use preposition at to identify or before the fixed time. We have to use preposition at before fixed time or a small place. In Bangla meaning te, we have to use at. Such as Saif Sufyan, my younger cousin, was born dash Karimganj. Here Karimganj is a small place. For this reason we have to use preposition at. The use of preposition in month, season, year, century. We have to use preposition in before month, season, year or century. Such as Saif Sufyan, my younger brother, was born at Karimganj dash in Borishal dash April dash 1969. In Borishal, we have to use preposition in because Borishal is a district. Borishal is a big place. For this reason, we have to use preposition in. Dash April. Before April, we have to use preposition in because month, season, year, century. Before month, season, year, we have to use preposition in. For this reason, we have to use preposition in before April, month, and before year, 1996, we have to use preposition in. We have to use preposition in before place, district, country, sky, continent, subcontinent, village, earth, language. We have to use preposition in. We have to use preposition in the case of inner state of somebody or something. Inner state of somebody or something, we have to use preposition in. Suppose I am dash the room. At this position, at present, I am dash the room. I am in the room. My position is inner state of a place, of a surrounded place or a open place. We have to use preposition in. Such as the boys are playing dash the field, in the field. They are playing inner state of something or somebody else, something, or inner state of something or inner state of position of something, inner position of something or inner place of something. We have to use preposition in. At fixed time, we have to use fixed time at. For this reason, he dies dash 5 p.m. We have to use preposition at. 5 p.m. is a fixed time. We have to die our fixed time. For this reason, we have to use at fixed time. Before fixed time, we have to use preposition at. Into. Change or transfer the state from one stage to another stage. Or movement. We have to use moving something. Moving something, we have to use into. Changing something or somebody's. Such as the ice turns dash water. Before changing the water was ice. The water was ice. First, ice turns dash water. Ice turns into water. Before changing water from ice, it was ice. But after the changing position, ice turns into water. Here indicates changing or transfer the state from one stage to another stage or moving something. In this case, we have to use preposition into. From outer side to inner side. To means from outer side to inner side, we have to use preposition into. Suppose the teacher enters dash the class. The teacher entered into the class. The teacher was outside the class, but now he is entering into the class. He entering into the class. Here the teacher's position is moving. Moving situation is indicating. For this reason, we have to use into. From outside to inside, we have to use into. The use of out of. From inside to outside, we have to use out of. Such as example 3, the students look dash the window. The students are in the class, but they are looking out of the class. They are looking out of the class. Here indicates from inside to outside. For this reason, we have to use preposition out of. Between. Dividing or distributing something for two persons. Dividing or distributing something for two persons, we have to use between. But dividing or distributing something for three persons or more than three persons, we have to use amongst. The use of amid or amidst. We have to use amid or amidst in case of in the middle. Amid or amidst refers to in the middle situation of something. For this reason, we have to use amid or amidst. Amid or amidst. Such as distribute the mangoes dash the three girls. Distribute something. More than two. For this reason, we have to use among. But in this sentence 3, divide the mangoes dash the two boys. Two boys for two boys. For this reason, we have to use between. Divide something between two persons, we have to use between. But divide or distribute something more than two, we have to use among. In the middle of something, we have to use amid. Rana is dash the girls. Rana is amid the girls. হয়েছে? বুঝি টাইম করে গেছে নাকি?